Hi, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Alright, I usually go over with homework from last video. And this is 第七句话. 第七句话. Okay, 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. Okay, 第七句话. Okay, this is our 成语. Okay, 一安烟. Yan is smoke. 夕阳消 is vanish. 一云云 is cloud. This is from before this video's homework. 云 is cloud. 四安散 散 is disappear. This 成语 is describe completely vanish in smoke. Vanish into smoke. This is our sentence. Okay. 耶稣耶稣 is Jesus. 的为对 is face to. 他 is him. 是我说 is said. 基因经 this 经 means Bible. 上是 on 上 is on. 是我说 is said or speak or talk. 不可不可 don't. 是探安探试探 is test. 之无主 is Lord. 那以你的你的 is your. 是恩神 is God. 耶稣对他说，经上说不可试探主你的神。 We have new lessons now. Okay, 这是第八句话。第八 OK, 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 OK, 第八句话 OK. And this is our 成语 new 成语。西凹小 is little. 那一凹鸟 is a bird. 一日恩人 if you have been watching my video and you know this is a human being. Okay, so I told you this word is little, very little. This is a bird, and this word you're gonna find out what this means. And this you know is human being. Hey, let's practice our 成语 Okay, 小鸟依人 鸟 is bird, 小 is little, 人 is a person or human being. Okay, 小鸟依人 Okay, 魔个为鬼魔鬼又个哀戴他是昂上乐上了一自我做一座自为最高的最高的是安山基昂江是昂上的世上的乌安万个我国万国语乌安万个我国的万国的荣和华荣华的欧都指个 A 给只给个他个安看 OK， 魔鬼又带他上了一座最高的山，将世上的万国与万国的荣华都指给他看。 Alright, we are gonna learn how to write this word, our sentence. Okay, 魔鬼魔鬼 Okay, look, this word and this little part is exactly the same. Okay, you 带他 上了一座最高的高的山将世上的事上的万国与万国的万国的荣华都只给他看。Okay. Homework is always good for you, okay, to help you to get this language, all right? Download a translator and translate each single word. But if I'm on the line, you gotta check them together as phrases, so you will learn even faster. Read 2 times, because this is a fast way, I just found out. Read 30 times, okay, read out loud 30 times. Watch an hour in Chinese TV series every day. Okay, I have one is right here. It's called 还珠格格. 还珠格格 is a very fun and entertainment movie. Video is a long one. In this video, it maintain a lot 成语, a lot. If you hear from here, you can hear from there. So it just help you to confirm what you learn from here. Okay. I hope you guys stay safe. Give me thumbs up if you like it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, I will see you next Friday.